Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and as you can see I'm not in the shop today, and I'm really excited to tell you why I'm in my backyard. Main reason, House of Tools has a line of tools that they're now representing, and it's one that's been around since 1928. And what is that? It's the Corona tools, and most landscapers and homeowners have known and trusted this brand for a very long time. And in front of me here, this video is not about these clippers, even though these are brand new and in beautiful shape. Nope, it's about my old ones. This is a pair I've been using for a really long time, but as you can see, the blade's getting a little dull. So what am I going to do? Simple. I'm going to turn to this tool, and this is a sharpening tool with a little safety cap. You take this out, and the instructions tell you about 4 or 5 passes, but it may take a little more than that depending on how old your tools are. Then you just run this around, much like a cook would do or a chef would do in the kitchen when they sharpen their knives. So you just run that back and forth. You go from the pivot out, and you can see I'm getting stuck. There's a little chip there or something. They also tell you to go on the back side and do a single pass, but I'm thinking this may take more than 1 pass. There we go. Now I can start feeling it a lot smoother now. And sometimes I might also go to this side just to make sure there's nothing on that side. See, there's also a couple, I can feel it. There's a couple of spots there that I've probably nicked it a little bit. Now we'll come back here, and much better. And now, when I'm done, these will be like brand new again, nice and sharp. So, if you've had a pair of old clippers laying around, doesn't matter what brand they are, pick up one of these, the sharpener. Keep your tools nice and sharp and safe, because a sharp tool is a safe tool and an efficient tool. Anyway, whether you're in the workshop or in the backyard, keep on working. We'll see you on the next video.